Hey everyone, it's Nisreen Hawley with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services in Sedona, Arizona. Today I am in the heart of Cottonwood and I want to show you this property at 1546 East Sunset Circle. It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with a separate downstairs entrance, 2 kitchens, 2 living areas. It's such a great opportunity for multi-generational living, for investment, for rental, for living in one part of the house and renting the other. And it also comes with a bonus lot. So let's take a quick look here. The house has been totally redone between 2021 and 2023. A lot of updates, including the kitchen. You'll see that there are new countertops, new appliances, new hardware, fixtures. It's really nicely done. There is a ton of cabinet space. And I like the bar with the butcher block counter. And then let's take a look. The living room, huge. And then you have 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs. That's the downstairs apartment or living area. Coat closet here. Nice skylights. They add a lot of natural light. This is what I would consider the primary bedroom. It's the largest one. And it has a full bathroom and a huge walk-in closet. And the bathrooms were updated, flooring updated, toilet, sink, countertop, all look brand new. And then you have the second bathroom and the second bedroom. This is huge. You've got room if you want to have a desk in there or a seating area. You've got a large mirrored closet there with organizers. This is a really great use of space, 2,238 square feet altogether. Downstairs, this is the living room area downstairs. It has a patio off the back, pavered. And there are 3 bedrooms down here. And they're good sized bedrooms. Mirrored closet doors. This could be an office space too if you wanted to use it that way. They don't all have to be bedrooms. You could have a workspace, an art or creative space. If you're working from home and have your own entrance for the downstairs, that would be very nice. Full bath here. And this is bedroom 3 downstairs, but bedroom 5 of the house. And then the laundry room here. And then there is a kitchenette, basically downstairs. And then let's take a look at the garage. Has that beautiful coating on the floors, keeps it nice and clean. And we'll take a quick look outside. Again, this is on 2 lots, so you have 2 parcels, which means on the second parcel, you could leave it empty for privacy, but you could build a whole nother house. It doesn't even have to be a guest house because that's a completely separate parcel. You could put a second residence on it. You could sell it, or you could keep it like it is now for privacy, for a buffer area between you and other homes. And this is turf. And you have a walk-in cooler over here which stays, that conveys with the property, and a shed for storage. Give me a call. Happy to take you on a tour in person.